Dropshipping product listings are now just a matter of a click. Just click the platform icon where you want to copy the product details, and within a few seconds your product details are copied to your platform. Hey there, what's up dropshippers? In this video, I'm really excited to introduce you with a dropshipping Chrome extension. It's a really powerful tool for dropshippers. It supports Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Poshmark, Etsy, and more. You'll see how this Chrome extension makes your dropshipping life a lot easier, and your boring listing process goes much faster and more enjoyable. So ordinarily when you list items, you grab the title, copy and paste over your platform, copy-paste description, download all the images and bring them over, then do boring math to set a price. But check this out, right here this Chrome extension adds its supported platforms icon buttons. I click on the Facebook Marketplace icon. It opens a new Facebook Marketplace tab and the extension starts grabbing everything and brings it right over. You may use this tiny price calculator to calculate your profit margin. Also use Title Builder to make your title cleaner and shorter. You may turn off Auto Open from the extension control panel and access them from these buttons. You may notice this little box here and thinking what it does. With this box you can upload any image by copy-paste. Right-click on any image and click Copy Image Address, then paste here. You may watch a detailed video by clicking here. Now I click on the eBay icon. It opens a new eBay tab, fills the title, auto-choose category, choose condition, and the final step copies all details. For eBay listing you must select your region first. And you may copy product details from Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Aliexpress, Mercury, and so many store websites. You also request websites to add and support where from you want to copy products. Just click Live Support and leave a message. Okay, now let me show you how you can configure the Chrome extension to do exactly what you want it to do. Open the extension control panel by clicking on the extension icon. Product Research Tool and Product Catalog, we will see these features a bit later. Where to copy, it represents supported platforms that's extension capable of copying product details. You may check, uncheck and organize them by drag over. And it will reflect in store websites. This section is for setting your profit margin. You may set it by percentage or flat price. You may look into the formula of price markup to get a clear idea how it exactly works. The extension has a smart shipping costs detector. If you enable it, it will search for shipping cost on the product page you copying from. If it's found, shipping cost extension will add it with the price. If could not found, it will use default shipping cost you set here. And lastly, if the item has free shipping label, it will not add any shipping cost to the price. You may use the brand detection feature to auto-fill brand fields. Here you see all individual platform settings. All have template systems for title and description, with a few quick presets for the description template and placeholders. Facebook Marketplace has options for autofill condition, hide from friends. Single image listing will copy only one main image for listing. Fixed price option for setting a static price for your all listing. So many people set 0 here for their listing. For eBay listing you must choose your region first. You may use HTML code for eBay listing as well. Extension has a dedicated eBay product research tool I will explain later. Just click each of them and explore settings. Nothing complex here. If you get any issue, have queries, or any suggestions, click on Live Support and send a message. At the very bottom you can set your currency option. Basically it is settings for your region number formatting. We already know about these two options. For Aliexpress, extensions have a cool feature to see product shipping details and download product videos. Let me show you. I turn them both on. You may change your desired shipping method, country and currency. Now if I search something on Aliexpress, it shows a green match with your selected shipping methods and videos. You may hover over it to see all shipping methods and shipping cost to your selected country. It has a download widget to download images and videos. eBay also has a tool for researching products. It will appear when you search something on eBay. Before use it you have to change your search layout to list view. To do so, click on this button and choose list view. You may click customize for more options. So once you see the list view layout, this tool will be enabled to filter products. Reviews field will check product reviews count and percentage will check review percentage. To filter top-rated seller items, just check top-rated seller. You may hide unmatched items by checking this. Load recent sales info here. It will show your product's recent sales history. This is so important to find your winning products. It shows you the last 24 hours, 7 days, 14 days, 21 days sales reports. Now you will get the option to filter them by their sales. You may check auto load sales info so you don't need to click the button over again. It can remember your previous values. Hope this will help you a lot to find your products. Okay, now come into the product research tool. Click to open the tool. Here you can find your winning product easily. Choose where you want to search your product. You can type your website name here to find them quickly. Then type your product name and hit enter or click on search selected. It will open your selected website with your search keywords. Pro tips: choose search in a new window to open a new window for each search query. Let me show you. It opens 2 new windows for 2 search terms. If you want to use previously open windows and tabs for your new search term, check this option. You may get rid from opening too many tabs. In the product catalog section, you will find your listed items. It is in beta mode. Here you manage your listed products and also mention where you list them. To do so, click on Edit and enter your listed link here and save. It has a CSV import feature to list your product from a CSV file. Click on the Import button, then drag and drop your CSV file or click to choose your file. Now organize your CSV file columns in here. Just drag your CSV column number to the right place. You may uncheck if your CSV file has no header row. Click on Next. You will be able to see all your products and click the platform icon where you want to list the product as like before. If you get any issue, want to add a website, want copy product from, have any suggestions and need live support, click on live support and send a message on Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy dropshipping!